welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and I'm here today to show you a small Dollar Tree haul and a small business haul. But before we get started, I would like to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. Or if you are considering subscribing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to all, so you can see more content when it comes out. Okay, let's get started. So I'll start with the Dollar Tree haul first. So I went there yesterday because I'm in a few Facebook swaps. So the first thing I got were these Werther's Originals, which I absolutely love, but I can't have them. But they are delicious, and that's going in a swap. And then I picked up, when you find these at the Dollar Tree, you just have to grab them, right? So I grabbed these for my pins that I'm working on. There's that. And I got a smaller bag. And then I grabbed some of this facial mist watermelon sweet mint. Never seen that before, but that's going in a swap. And then I saw this awesome confetti scatter. I thought that was really neat. So I got that just to have in my stash. And then I always pick up these scissors. I'm always using them, and then they're detailing scissors, and I think they work really well, and they're pretty sharp. But somehow they keep getting legs and walking away. And then I got some of this yarn, which you could never find at my Dollar Tree, so I'm glad it's there. And some of these are going to be for tassels, and some of it's going to go into a swap. And then some more of the medium-sized pearl beads. And then I saw this coaster thing, like they were doing for the spring ones, and I would like to make a Memdex card with these or something for, you know, or I don't know if it'd be too big for ATC, but I grabbed those. And another bottle of this facial mist that is in a swap. So there's that. Let me pause you, and I will grab the other bag. All right, everyone, I'm back, and so I found some of this Crafter Square acrylic yarn, which we haven't had, and that is going in a swap. And then more of this yarn, just yarn. And I love this stuff. This stuff is so soft. I love it. I like the gray color. And then I picked this up. I thought that was cute. They're flip-flops, and it is going in a swap. You can see it, got the shine. And then a mirror I'm going to try and alter. I got some of these to make some tassels out of. I've never used glitter tool, so I thought those were pretty. Very, very pretty. I grabbed more of these coasters for like leaves. And I'm not making friendship bracelets, but I thought for $1 those were cute to make tassels or whatever with. Picked up some gum just because I wanted some. Then I going to put these in a swap as well. And I grabbed this drying mat. I thought that was cute. I'm sending that in a swap. And I think I'm going to go pick one up for me because I really like that. So, isn't that cute? Drying fish mat. I always grab more of these because you never have enough of these scoring tools. And I was going to make my cards this year, but I'm running out of time for Mother's Day. So I picked up a few of these beautiful cards, and my ring light is like really glaring there. My stepmom and my mom. And birthday card sending out. I thought that was cute. And this card here, special. I think these are so cute. The Dollar Tree has these beautiful, beautiful cards. So yeah, that is my, oh no, I forgot two more things. And then I found these, which my Dollar Tree doesn't only have this one. And then I thought these fashion gems with instant glue was really neat. And they have glue on the back, in the back. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. 1 second, and I will grab my small business haul. So I ordered from the Magical Mixery, and I got my order in. It accidentally got shipped somewhere else, but it was all fixed, and I'm gonna still give her some great reviews because her shop is wonderful. The communication she sent to me was wonderful, and I will still continue to shop at her store. So let me open this box and we'll get started. Okay, so I don't know if you can see, but she has it in a big, huge box with bubble wrap, so it was taken care of very well. So I have Maggie Holmes stuff, but I wanted to continue adding to the collection that I have. So Magical Mixery, she has some of these stashes on here, and I got this Good Vibes chipboard. Let's see here. Here's my box so y'all can see. Anyway, I thought that was super, super cute. Girl Squad, yay. I love the llama, the chipboard, and then I have a Sunny Days collection, and I didn't have much in that collection, so I thought I'd add to it. It looks like she put some mix in there. Isn't that neat? And so I got some embossed die cut sheets, Sunny Days. And then I got this flower, like crepe paper, Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection. And then I got these, it's a Good Vibes pad, which I don't think I have this collection, but that's the chipboard I ordered, and I thought those were cute. You guys can see. I'm trying to film while everybody's still in bed. I love her paper, and so I'm trying to get her collections together. And then I ordered this Marigolds collection. I have the 12 by 12, but I needed the smaller one. And so those are so cute. So I have the 12 by 12. I just needed to get the smaller one. Let's see here. And then I ordered the Good Vibes washi tape to go with the collection of the Good Vibes. 1 second. Okay, and so I saw this beautiful trim and I really wanted it. It is Magical Mixery store on Etsy. I love her shop. And then this cute organza bag. And I ordered some cute charms because I don't have a lot of the gold-plated charms. So I ordered these. And I want to use these on tassels or my pins. And I ordered these. Look at the flamingo. Isn't that cute? That reminds me of Jovi. She likes flamingos. And then, aren't those adorable? Clouds. I love charms and beads. But like I said, I hardly had any gold-plated charms. So I'm trying to get my collection built up. Okay, and then I have some stuff in this bag. She sent me a gift. So there's my free gift. A little sequence mix. And then I got these shaker bulbs. I thought these were really neat. And those are great for tassels, stitch markers, charms, my beaded pins just to hang off. And I got some Tutti Frutti. I don't think I had that in my stash. And I love these mermaid tails. Oops, I thought they were cute. And I believe if this would focus, there we go. You can add something on that. So yeah, that is my Dollar Tree haul and my Magical Mixery haul. I hope you like what you saw. Please consider hitting the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. You guys all take care. Please stay safe out there and God bless. Bye.